Hi, just doing a little video on how to set up a text document. That's if you want to store something like your website or something on there. So what you do is you go to little bit of space on your desktop. There's not much left on mine, but this is what it'll look like when you've done it, the text document. So what you do is you right click, and then you go to new, then you move down here to text document, and there you are. You've got a new one. You can use that for whatever you want. Obviously, there's nothing in here. Have a look and see what I've got in the other one. Some codes I've stored on that one. What have I got in this one? An advert in there, the Clean Easy online catalogs, or my website for joining my Terrier group. So that's the it's simple as that. So just go over it again. Um, so you right click, you go to new, look for text documents, then you can call it a name. So you can have a few different text documents open. Very, very simple.